Imagine if there was a way to earn money even while you sleep. It might sound like a fantasy, but it's a reality that many successful individuals have already embraced. Passive income streams can provide financial stability, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Whether you're an ambitious entrepreneur or someone looking to supplement their income, these strategies offer a path to generating revenue without the need for active involvement. The best part is, anyone can do this, and all it takes is a little creativity and some time to get started. So let's dive in and explore some of the best ways to earn money while you sleep. Number 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is one of the most accessible ways to earn passive income. With platforms like WordPress and Squarespace, you can create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Choose a niche that interests you and provides value to readers. Focus on creating high-quality content that ranks well in search engine results. As your blog gains traffic, monetize it through display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. While it takes time to build an audience, the long-term rewards of passive income from a successful blog are worth the effort. Number 2. Create an email newsletter. Building an email newsletter can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Identify a target audience and provide valuable content or resources in your niche. Provide real value with helpful articles, tutorials, or industry insights. Segment your audience to deliver targeted content and offers. You can then monetize your newsletter through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or by selling products or services directly to your subscribers. Consistency in providing value to your subscribers will help you grow your audience and generate revenue even while you sleep. Number 3. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is another platform where you can earn passive income. Share your expertise, passion, or creativity through video content. Optimize your videos for search with relevant titles and descriptions. Build an audience by providing valuable content and engaging with viewers. Monetize your channel through advertising revenue, sponsorships, or selling merchandise. While growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, the potential for passive income is significant. Success on YouTube often comes down to consistency, quality content, and audience engagement. Number 4. Sell stock photos and videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, selling stock photos and videos can be a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock allow you to upload and sell your work to a global market. Set your prices or leave it up to the platform and earn royalties each time your content is downloaded. Consistently uploading high-quality images and videos can lead to a steady stream of passive income. To succeed in this, focus on capturing high-quality images and videos that are in demand. Research popular categories and keywords to identify what's selling well and tailor your content accordingly. Number 5. Create online courses. Sharing your knowledge and skills through online courses is an excellent way to create passive income. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it easy to create and host courses without technical expertise. Identify a skill or subject you are proficient in and create a comprehensive course that provides value to learners. Market your course through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Successful courses provide in-depth, well-structured learning experiences. To stand out, focus on creating high-quality courses that cater to a specific audience and provide a valuable learning experience. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular method for earning passive income by promoting other people's products or services. Join affiliate programs offered by brands or use platforms like Amazon Associates. Find products or services that align with your audience and create content or promotions to drive traffic. You'll earn commissions on any sales or leads generated through your unique affiliate links. Success in affiliate marketing depends on choosing the right products to promote, driving targeted traffic, and building trust with your audience. Number 7. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without holding any inventory. Partner with a dropshipping supplier who will handle product fulfillment. Create an online store and list products for sale. When an order is placed, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the selling price and the supplier's cost as profit. To succeed in dropshipping, focus on finding a profitable niche, building a user-friendly website, and providing excellent customer service. Number 8. Social media influencer. If you have a strong social media presence, you can monetize your influence as a passive income stream. Collaborate with brands on sponsored posts or product reviews, share exclusive discounts or promotions with your followers, use affiliate links to earn commissions on any resulting sales. To become a successful influencer, focus on building an engaged audience, providing valuable content, and maintaining authenticity. Number 9. Print on demand. Print-on-demand businesses allow you to sell custom-printed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without managing inventory. Partner with a print-on-demand company such as Printful or Redbubble, create designs or artwork that can be printed on various products. When an order is placed, the print-on-demand company handles production and shipping. You earn a profit based on the product price minus the company's fees. To succeed in print-on-demand, focus on creating unique and eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Number 10. Create mobile apps. Developing mobile applications is a highly lucrative way to earn passive income. Identify a problem or need in the market and create an app that provides a solution. Monetize your app through advertising, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. To be successful in app development, focus on creating user-friendly apps that provide real value and are visually appealing. Number 11. Real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to earn passive income. If you have the capital, consider purchasing a rental property or investing in REITs, which are publicly traded companies that own and manage real estate. With real estate, you can earn rental income from tenants or dividends from REITs. To succeed in real estate investing, it's important to do your research. Find properties or REITs that meet your investment criteria and work with reputable real estate agents or financial advisors. Number 12. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers and lenders, allowing you to earn interest by lending money to others. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to set your loan terms and interest rates. To be successful in peer-to-peer lending, it's important to diversify your loans, research borrowers, and monitor your investments. Number 13. Royalty income. Earning royalty income is another way to earn passive income. If you're a creator, you can earn royalties from your intellectual property, such as music, artwork, or writing. By licensing your work to others, they can use your creations and pay you a percentage of the profits they generate. Number 14. Dividend income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to earn passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of ownership in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have a history of paying dividends. To be successful in dividend investing, focus on companies with a track record of paying dividends and a history of increasing them over time. Number 15. Licensing your ideas. If you have innovative ideas or inventions, you can license them to companies that can bring them to market. This can be a great way to earn passive income without having to start a business yourself. To be successful at licensing your ideas, protect your intellectual property through patents or trademarks, and reach out to companies that could benefit from your ideas. While these methods offer the potential for substantial passive income, it's important to note that building these income streams takes time and effort. Many of these strategies require an initial investment or a learning curve. However, the long-term benefits of financial freedom and flexibility make it worthwhile. Remember that diversifying your income sources is key to mitigating risks and achieving financial stability. So don't be afraid to explore multiple passive income streams and find what works best for you. That wraps up our list of the top 15 ways to earn money while you sleep. We hope these strategies provide you with valuable insights into the world of passive income. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more informative content on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your journey towards financial success.